paying $2,400 and a year. Okay, that's the no. Yes, a year. The insurance policy was $2,400. It went up all the way to like $15,990 from 1 month to another.
Were you able to fight it?
You can't fight it because you have that's the price that they are just sending to you. But what we did is that I did start shopping around, like Carla says. I started with all our referral business that we have, and I started shopping around for different insurance policies, and I got one at a really good price, just like $2,600 what I was paying for.
So I think something really important that we need to know is you were asking if you can fight it. I don't think it's so much the fact that you can fight it. There's several things going on, and there's many misconceptions. And one of them is people think that once you have a mortgage, you obviously you have a mortgage in many instances, and that you've chosen the insurance company that's going to handle it. Well, once those prices go up, they just tag on that price to your escrow account. Yeah. So the issue, more than anything, is in today's world, we're not opening all communications. Call it mail, call it email. They're letting you know. But in many instances, we're not. It's our fault. We're not opening that communication and we're not getting the information. But the part that I think is very important and that we need to share that info with everybody that we know, with our clients, future clients, is that you can shop around for insurance policies. You can shop around for rates. And we have, like Lizzie mentioned earlier, a great referral business, and especially when it comes to real estate. Insurance for real estate, for properties. In many instances, people figured out that for many years, the bigger companies had higher rates, and that's not the case anymore.
No, it isn't. And I'm sorry. And we also, now insurance policies, what they're asking for is the maintenance of the roofs. That's huge. They are asking for invoices and receipts that you did it when it was done. And the wording that they're putting on the invoices, it has to be really specific for that to be covered through your insurance. So we do need to advise our clients, that when they do maintain on the roof or any repair or anything, to have everything disclosed exactly what was done. And to keep all documents on hand, because that's going to help lower their insurance.
So I think at the end of the day, we need to let everyone know a couple of things. One is insurance premiums are going up for several reasons. Even though El Paso is not an area that gets constantly hit by tornadoes or, any hurricanes, so on and so forth, we're still part of the great big Texas, and at the end of the day, the pricing is for all of Texas. So prices have gone up on the policies. It is important that you, like I said before, that if you're not getting the information from your mortgage company, that you are making that call to find out with your insurance agent, what is my premium this year? What does it look like? What is my deductible? Because that's really important.
Now, what's happening is that a ton of insurance companies are just getting out of Texas or getting out of business. So that's what happened with me. It's not that it's just that it wasn't existing anymore. So, the letter I received is, going on next month, this company is no longer in Texas. So those are the things that...
And that's the misconception, exactly. So then that company is no longer working in Texas. They've notified you, but you do nothing about it. Mm-hmm. Well, your mortgage company is not going to allow you not to have insurance. So they have the ability, because you signed somewhere along the line, that if your insurance at any given time expired, they would decide for you. And when they decide, they don't go out and
they're not going to go shopping.
They're just fast forward. They give you whatever is the first one they have on hand. And that's where you feel that bump and that skyrocket in your mortgage payment. And unfortunately, you don't find out until the end of the year. By then, you have to owe the shortage for the previous year plus the new payment for the next year. So the gap starts to get extremely high. And once again, it's just a lack of communication. This is a time when everybody should be contacting their insurance agent and asking, what is my policy cover? What is the price I'm paying? And still, once again, go out and shop around and see if there's other better options for you.
And just like that with everything. We're here. We have a good referral business. So we have contractors. We have insurance companies. We work with just about anything that clients need.
Great.